Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be showing you a new update on Gmail, how to hide those pesky promotions emails in your label list on your PC. Let's get started. First, open up gmail.com on your web browser. Next, look at the top bar and click on the gear icon. This will open up a drop-down menu where you can access your settings. Click on Open All Settings to access the full settings menu. From here, navigate to the Labels section. This is where you can customize how your emails are organized and displayed. Scroll down until you find the Promotions label and click on it. You'll see an option to hide this label. Click on this to remove the Promotions label from your main inbox view. And there you have it. Your Promotions emails are now hidden from your label list on Gmail. This simple step can help declutter your inbox and make it easier to find the emails that matter most to you. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to hide promotions emails in your label list on Gmail. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. See you next time.